Hello viewers, welcome once again to PixieTube, and this is Joe Pixie. Today we are going to learn how to convert a black and white picture to a colored or a colorized picture using a very free tool, totally free online. All you have to do is to upload your image, and then the software or the app will automatically convert that black and white picture to a colored one for you using artificial intelligence. Now you visit this website. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Once you are on the website, you click to verify that you're not a robot. Once that is done, this button appears and you click select photo. Then you find any black and white picture that you want to convert to white to colored. So we are going to use this one for a start. Once you select the picture and you click open, the software goes to work and automatically convert this black and white picture to colored. Now you can drag and select the area that you want it to be colored. So you can drag to the full size. You can see that this picture is now colored. So after that, you just have to download the results to your PC, and that will be a work good done, or a job well done. So you can then click on clear new photo to try to convert to another another black and white image. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, this one. So you can see you drag it and then you see that the picture has been converted to colored. This black is colored. Download results. Okay, you download the comparison to compare the two images. Clear. Then maybe you can try with the last one. I can try with the last one. Once you do it multiple times, you see this screen will pop up. You just follow the instructions. Select all squares with traffic light. So you can see this traffic. Then you verify. Okay, then you select. Let me try this one. Okay, these are two musicians from Ghana, Sakode and Papi Kojo. And see that that's giving you a very nice picture, colored picture. So the higher the quality of the image, the better the results. So you try to use a better image so that you can get a quality results. The ones you can see that they are all on your. This is a colored one. This is a colored. See, very nice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.